Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of Wi-Fi networks not showing up on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. First of all, check if the airplane mode is enabled, because if it is enabled, as you can see, no Wi-Fi network will show up. So disable the airplane mode before anything else. And then you'll have to wait for a while, because it needs a while to replicate all of these options. And then make sure that the Wi-Fi switch is also on, because if the Wi-Fi switch is off, then no network will appear. Once this is done, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Check for the Wi-Fi adapter. Is it enabled at the first place? It should be enabled and all of these options should be green. After this is done, the next one is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot, then select other troubleshooters, and then select run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The last option will be, I won't suggest a network reset here, because if the adapters are not showing itself, then there's no point of a network reset. And the last one is to update the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.